Hello my dear students. In this video I will be teaching you 4 main physical properties of haloalkanes. First one is melting points and boiling points. Second one will be solubility. Third one will be density, and fourth one will be their relative stability. So here I am going to teach you the first physical property, that is melting point and boiling point. I have listed out an important fact regarding that. Melting point and boiling point of haloalkanes are much higher than those of their parent alkane. It means if I take example of methyl chloride, then methyl chloride will be having much more higher melting and the boiling point than its corresponding alkane, that is methane. Alright, now what is the reason behind that? So here two main reasons are there. I have listed out them. Two main reasons are there. The first one is the molecular masses of haloalkanes are higher than those of their corresponding parent alkane. Since they have higher molecular masses than their parent alkane, so they have greater magnitude of van der Waals forces. And we know very well, greater the magnitude of van der Waals forces, greater will be their melting and boiling point. And the second most important reason is existence of dipole-dipole interactions due to slight polarity in their molecule. As we know, if I take example of methyl chloride, as we know that CCl and then CH3, okay. So there is a slight polarity in the molecule due to the presence of more electronegative halogen atom. This polarity is responsible for the occurrence or existence of dipole-dipole interaction between two molecules of same haloalkane. Alright, that means two methyl chloride will be held together by dipole-dipole interaction. So it requires extra energy to break this force. That's the reason they have higher melting and boiling point than their corresponding alkane. In the corresponding alkane, such dipole-dipole interaction does not exist. So remember these two very important points, that why haloalkanes have higher melting and boiling point than their parent alkane. Now here I have some regular trends in the boiling points of haloalkanes. They are very important from the point of view of your board exams. Alright. First and the most important, one of the most important regular trends. For the same alkyl group, the boiling points of haloalkanes increase with increase in the size and the mass of halogen atom. What does it mean? I have taken example. Now these are 4 different type of haloalkanes which have a same alkyl. Like this is methyl fluoride, this is methyl chloride, this is methyl bromide, this is methyl iodide. Now as you can see, I have put greater than sign, which means that methyl iodide has the highest melting and the highest boiling point in comparison to other haloalkane. Now question comes why? So here the reason is the higher size and the greater mass of iodine. So if we have same alkyl group bonded with different halogen atoms, then the one which has iodine with it will be having higher boiling point. Now the second important regular trend, for the same halogen atom, the boiling points of haloalkanes increase with increase in the size of alkyl group. Now here the case is different. Now this, in these examples you can see I have taken same halogen atom, chloro, alright, which is bonded with 4 different alkyl group here, methyl, ethyl, propyl and butyl. So as the size of alkyl group increases, the boiling point also increases. We know the reason. Greater the size of the alkyl group, higher is the magnitude of van der Waals force of attraction. And greater the van der Waals force of attraction, higher will be the boiling point. Now, third point, for isomeric haloalkanes, the boiling point decrease with the branching. Now, they all have same molecular formula, alright, and their molecular formula you can calculate and count C4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, H9, Br. All right, all of them, they have the same molecular formula. They are isomeric to each other. This is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree alkyl bromide. All right, now as the branching is increasing, means it's turning from 1 degree to 2 degree, 2 degree to 3 degree. The size of the alkyl group, you can see it is becoming compact. ये छोटा होता जा रहा है, small होता जा रहा है. So smaller the size or compact is the size of the alkyl group, lesser will be the surface area, lesser will be the van der Waals force of attraction. It means with the increase in branching, in case of isomeric haloalkanes, the magnitude of van der Waals forces, they decrease. All right, so remember, they are the most important trends, and you get questions in your exam related to these important trends related to the boiling points of haloalkanes. Now after the melting and the boiling point, now here I am talking about the second most important physical property of the haloalkane, that is solubility. They are insoluble in water in spite of having polarity in the molecule. I just told you about the case of methyl chloride. This exhibits polarity in the molecule, but in spite of being polar in nature, they are insoluble in water. Why? So dear students, always remember, solubility in the water is due to one of the most important fact, that is capability of the formation of H bond. And we know H bond can be formed by Fon conditions. What is the meaning of Fon? When a compound has F, O or N bonded with hydrogen. All right. So here in this case, halogen is not bonded with hydrogen. All right. They are bonded with carbon. So they do not fulfill the condition of the hydrogen bond. That's the reason they can neither form H bond nor can break the H bonds between water molecule. That's the reason they are insoluble in water. Now moving on to the third important physical property, that is density. So about the density, always you remember that chloroalkanes are lighter than water, while bromoalkanes and iodoalkanes are heavier than water. It means if I keep water in between, so chloroalkanes will be lighter, bromoalkanes will be heavier than water, and iodoalkanes will be the heaviest. This will be the trend. Okay. And second fact, their densities follow the order. Alkyl iodide is most dense and the least will be alkyl chloride. Okay. And the third important fact is the density of haloalkanes decreases with increase in the size of alkyl group. As the size of alkyl group increases, their density decreases. Now I have the fourth physical property, that is their relative stability. So the relative stability of haloalkanes follows the order RF, that means fluoroalkanes are the most stable and iodoalkanes are the least stable. Alright. Why? What is the reason? I have written here because bond strength of CX bond, carbon to halogen bond, this strength follows the order. So fluorine to carbon bond is the strongest and iodine to carbon bond is the weakest. And the bond which is weak can be easily broken. That's the reason iodoalkanes are least stable and fluoroalkanes are most stable. These are very, very important physical properties, dear students. In the exams, in your board exams, plenty of the questions can be framed on these four physical properties. So revise them well, prepare them well. All the best. Thank you so much.